Today, I would like to present on the population dynamics, species composition, abundance, and diversity of the Anopheles malaria vectors as in Nsazi and Chimi Islands in Uganda. So, Target Malaria is a not-for-profit organization comprised of scientists from 3 continents. Our goal is to find new and innovative ways to lessen the malaria burden worldwide. The Target Malaria Project is actively involved in researching the Anopheles gambiae species complex in Uganda, and we have 3 island sites. We have Chimi on Chimi Island and Bujiri and Kansambwe on Nsazi Island. So we've done collections for over a period of 4 years in both the rainy and the dry season. And we have used pyrethrum spray catch and aspiration to collect mosquitoes from indoors. And more recently, diversified our methods with the human landing catch and the sweep net to catch swarm samples. So total numbers of Anopheles gambiae collected indoors have led us to conclude that there is absolutely no relationship between the mosquitoes on one island and another. That is to say that having a high abundance at any site may not necessarily give us a higher number at any other site, even when the sites are on the same island. Additionally, HLC has allowed us to conclude that there are significantly more numbers of mosquitoes biting outdoors than inside. This is specifically for the Anopheles gambiae species complex. We've also found that higher numbers are caught in October than in April to a significant degree. We went ahead and also did an assessment for Anopheles gambiae sensulato abundance relationship with the groundwater index and found no relationship between the two on any of the island, suggesting little relationship to rainfall. In addition, all mosquitoes collected were put through a PCR and were able to find only Anopheles gambiae SS mosquitoes at all the 3 sites, aside from Bujiri that had about 8 mosquitoes of Anopheles arabiensis collected over the period of the 4 years. So we've been able to conclude that 1, we have low species diversity at the islands with mainly Anopheles gambiae SS. We have low abundance of interior resting mosquitoes with less than 1,500 mosquitoes collected over the 4 years. The mosquito population at the 2 islands has shown large degrees of exophagy, which leads us to believe we need to do some further studies and will be interesting in the future. Analysis found no significant relationship between the groundwater index, as previously mentioned, suggesting little link between rainfall and mosquito numbers. And swarm collection, which is quite successful in many parts of Africa, including some of our West African partners, yielded only 8 mosquitoes at one site over the collection period. However, it was largely challenged by large swarms of lake flies. In fact, every mosquito caught was caught within a lake fly swarm, which will be very interesting for further study. This project is funded through a program of the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Thank you.